Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So in today's video I'm going to share with you how we can get flawless skin in winters. So mostly in winters our skin get really dry and rough and sometimes feels a texture skin. So without any further ado, let's get started to the video. So guys, for making this mask you need 1 teaspoon gram flour and half teaspoon fuller's earth and 1 teaspoon honey and 1 teaspoon sweet almond oil and how we can forget kasturi manjar. Just going to add a little bit of kasturi manjar and just gonna mix it well.
Xoxo.
This is for all today's video. I hope you like it. If you, then please do like, do share and do subscribe to my channel. So yeah, tata, bye bye.
You should take it slow.